So, a while ago, I thought, what do I like to do? I like to do piloting, right? Piloting things, and I don't know if anyone was here for that, but when I was playing Arma 3, a fun little bit, I streamed Arma 3 with a couple of friends. I came up with a brilliant idea. Why don't we push it to the limit, see what I can do with the helicopters in this game. But I'm an expert. We got this. You guys saw me. If you saw me fly last time, I'm good at this. That's the tree! Oh, flying is easy, guys. Gotta feel it out. Motion in the ocean. Actually really fun. Oh shit! True professionals know what they're doing. Hey, I did a sick flip! Where? Ah! Already lined up. Here we go. Everybody ready? Hold on to your asses. Oh shit, how do I go down? I don't remember. There's one. Oh, look at him haul ass. He's really scared now. Ah. Make it. Oh. Okay, let's go. There. Almost. Oh, that's friendly. I think I just crushed everyone on accident.